because they have a lot of birds there, they shouldn't know that? Hey! So again, focus on personality. Then, when you see a bird you think you like, the personality fits, okay, the behavior of the species fits, then what you want to do is, this bird seems, you like this bird, get the bird out and see if it shows any interest in you. Don't take a bird that doesn't show any interest in you. Then if it does seem to be interested, come back 2 more times. See the bird 2 more times and see if it still shows you interest. And I don't mean it just looks at you, but it wants to be with you. Well, you can tell someone's showing interest in me. You want to see that kind of interest. Not necessarily slamming you in the face with a toy, but you want to have a bird that shows interest in you, okay? Cecil definitely shows an interest in me, don't you? Bob shows, you can see how Coco shows an interest in me, and Bob does. And Peaches, who's hiding behind me. Snowball, don't you start a fight. Snowball. Snowball. No fighting. Snowball, what are you doing? Is that lack of coordination or what? I know you're coordinated, so you're... What is the oddest thing I've seen? What are you doing? Oh, playing? Oh, you got your toe stuck. Are you okay? I've not seen that happen before. I better put a bigger perch on those things so that won't happen. You learn little things. You get a new purchase and you find out they can get their toenails stuck in them. Again, a side note, you see what looks like a weird behavior, that might actually be a physical problem. How are you doing? You doing okay now? You be nice to him. You be nice to him. So, you want to find a bird that has the behavior that you would like to live with. Then you want to find that, you're talking about the species. Then you look for an individual that shows interest in you and shows that interest after you come back for the next 2 times. And then you got to make sure your house is proofed, okay? That if you have any cords where that bird's going to be, that they're covered with metal shielding, the stuff they use for appliance cords, that kind of thing. Hey, 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 let's not get aggressive. And I've covered a lot of different ones, but mainly you want to make sure the house is safe for them. Hey, hey, hey. You. Salamander, you can sit up there if he's not bothering you. Oh, he's bothering you. Snowball. Hey. Salamander, leave him alone. Leave him alone. Hey! Snowball. No aggressive look. Hey, hey, hey. No. 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 Make sure that bird gets along with other birds. This is a good example. Make sure there's no aggression with other birds. The rescue should know that because they have a lot of birds there. They should know that. Hey! Oh, Snowball. Hello, boy. Snowball. Snowball. Now I took him down because he was the second one up there. Salamander was already sitting there, so I took him down. That's why I chose him. Besides, he could use a little petting, couldn't you? Couldn't you? And notice I did pet him down his back. Don't do that. Do as I say, not as I do. That's the old saying, okay?